Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a look and drive on the highway in this 2021 Kia Sorento X-Line. You can see all the stats of it on your right hand, or left hand side in this one case actually. And yeah, there's not much to say. POV drive means I won't be talking too much, but we'll take it on the highway, see how well it works, and take a look at the lane keep assist and the acceleration. Without further ado, here's the key. Unlock her. And make sure that we don't carry all the snow inside. As per usual with these, I'm about 2 minutes out of the highway, so I will just cut this video so you don't have to wait at all. And we don't want to listen to music. Alright. I will see you guys in for a few seconds. I did forget to mention that obviously I have a full review of this Kia Sorento X-Line already uploaded to this channel, so if you want to hear all my thoughts, get more in-depth detail, and also see more about the interior and exterior of this Sorento, just click on the top right hand corner. I'll put a little link for you there and you can find it right away. Other than that, we're just turning onto the road, which will soon turn into the highway. As soon as we're there, we're going to put into sport, and we're going to do manual shift because we got our paddles right here, obviously. And yeah, hope that nobody is in front of us so we can actually accelerate a little. We'll see. Okay, so we have a bunch of people in front of us. That was about as much room as I could gain. Let's put into sport. Take her to manual shifting. Second here, maybe we can gain a little more. And that's as far as we could go. Just sometimes on beautiful days like these, especially after we've had a bad winter week, tends to be a little congested, unfortunately, but it handles decently, especially for a 3-row SUV. And let's put it back into regular and into comfort. So automatic shifting comfort. Try to showcase the lane keep assist. Got it pressed down here. This is the X-Line, so we do not have the brilliant, pretty much. That's kind of you have to say it's brilliant because this is so good. Kia Hyundai lane keep assist. This is more of a lane departure assist. It's currently activated, as you can see, with the green symbol. But as you can see, okay, we've got enough room on the right side. It doesn't actively steer into the corner. It only steers me as soon as I depart my lane. Try it again once more. And there you go. That's when you can hear the beeping. That's when it activates itself. So it's really more of it's a safety feature, not a convenience feature, which is like the other ones are pretty much already convenience with how well they work. Still works well. Just these are the kind of systems I instantly turn off because I don't like them. Straight up, I just don't like them. It works well. If you want these systems, you like these systems, they work well. Also, don't block the left lane. Don't do that. It doesn't lead anywhere. Of course, I say that in the very second the middle lane slows down and he actually overtakes people. I just noticed I am stupid. And I literally didn't see the button here. It does have the system. I am so sorry for that. Good thing I noticed though, because otherwise I would have said something wrong in the review. So it does have the cool fancy door. Okay, it will not get this corner. I know that. But it does have the good system. So that was the regular lane keep assist we tried earlier, a little lane departure, and this is the lane keep assist with this button here, the steering wheel. It essentially drives itself. It's not an autonomous system. Just want to declare this once more. It's not an autonomous system, but as you can see, it's pretty damn close. Of course, even if we're an autonomous system, always monitor these things. They tend to screw up exactly when you aren't aware of what's happening. So never be not aware. Take over here for a second, so it'll do the turn. It's an awesome system. It's a really good system. Let's see how well it does in a really difficult situation. I don't expect it to do that. Yeah, I will not do that. Way too tight. Slow her down. It's actually doing it. Nope, there we go. They just snapped out of it. Still, it got really far. And like I said, this is a lane keep assist. This is, out of all the lane keep assist, this is by far the best one. It's amazing. You see how far it took on the turn. Anyhow, excuse the confusion there at the front. I don't know, I've never noticed that button. I was looking around it, it's like, this is when we were driving right now, and I was like, wait a second, that's the button. So yeah, this is, down here, that's the lane departure assist, this is the lane keep assist. One word difference, big difference in how it works though. Also with the auto hold, which is really nice. Which you can, unfortunately you have to press it every single time, but as you can see I don't have to do anything with my pedal, with my feet. I don't have to hold the brake, which is a feature I wish more cars would have. Makes it a lot more comfortable to drive in the city. No. But okay. That was a collision warning. I noticed that was the second time it did this, where it kind of reacted after somebody in front of me pulled away. And if it was from my first like inching forward, that would have been a bit late. I don't know. Maybe it's just a little covered with some salt or snow. I don't know, it's just a little weird. Okay. Okay, but this really is it with the video then. Like I said, if you want to hear all my thoughts, you can find them top right hand corner or on the left hand side of your screen here in a few seconds. Spoiler alert, I like this Sorento a lot. Anyhow, put it in park, turn it off. And if you have any questions, make sure to hit them, post them down in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you either in the full review or in the next one. Thank you. Bye.